Alright, what's up guys? It's currently 9:05 a.m. Eastern Time, 7/8, June 8th. NIO is currently taking off, and I want to just get into this a little bit. I've been holding from $3.94 from before the market crash until after. And this bad boy has really just taken off. So as you can see, in a week it doubled pretty much. And in the last month, it's just been on a tear. From $2 to 13, now 14 today. Now I think this stock has a lot of promise. I'll throw in a NIO video. They have a fully self-driving car just like Tesla. They have solar panels just like Tesla. So they're pretty much just a Chinese Tesla on a smaller scale. So my idea for this stock is if it wants to make that second Tesla move, it would go for 100, and that's like the equivalent to the 1,000 of Tesla. But also this $13 is kind of equivalent for the 100 shares. It gave me this kind of return. Either way, I just want to show this too again. I got absolutely burned selling a covered call. I sold it for 0.40, and now I'm forced to either sell my shares for $9, my 100 shares, and walk away with $900, or I'm forced to buy this back for $400 loss. Probably more now that the market's going to open in 20 minutes. But I just want to talk about the EV markets again. I kind of threw this in my last video, but there's been a crazy amount of EVs coming out and just a huge EV pump. So I want anyone who's on a low budget and being conservative with their money to really be careful here. These things could drop instantly. You don't know what it will do. So always just keep your balance low. Only put out what you could tolerate losing. If we look over here at the 5-year, you see they just blasted past IPO. So either we come back down to like $6 here, or 10, or we absolutely just fall back down towards the 2 to like 4 range. I really think this thing could fly though. My price target would be like 25 average compared to all these other EVs who come out and they don't even have cars out yet. So a little surprise for you guys, NIO has actually built one of the fastest electric supercars. So I'm going to run that clip now.
So David, you're the man that's seen this go from concept to reality in a very short space of time. Talk me through what happened.
When we sat down and Martin Leach decided he wanted to create the fastest electric vehicle on the planet, so we basically brainstormed.
So David, you're the man that's seen...
Mute my mic.
So David, you're the man that's seen this go from concept to reality in a very short space of time. Talk me through what happened.
June last year when we sat down and Martin Leach decided he wanted to create the fastest electric vehicle on the planet, so we basically brainstormed as to what that could be, what that should be, and here we are a year and a half later and a world champion.
For the supercar fans here, what features will they experience?
It's got 1 megawatt of power. It goes 0 to 100 in 2.7, top speed at the moment 313. Those will be improved. We're not giving up. We're continuing to push and test.
Kind of wild, honestly. We're going to see Tesla do that in a couple years with the Roadster. But for a company that was $1 to be doing that, I think it was definitely a buy. Right now, it's a little iffy. I would play time and play patience, okay? Just watch the stock before you do anything you might regret. But that's going to wrap it up for this little AM video. We got markets opening in 15 minutes. I'm going to try to get this out before. Peace out, y'all.